So we're back out here once again in the garage.
In the heat.
In the heat, yep. So you can see the car's out there. It's pretty hot today. It was literally just cloudy like, what, 30 minutes ago?
Yep.
But anyways, I don't know if you guys remember when we did the sunroof, the glass sunroof swap. I bought this whole thing from Pick and Pull for like $30. It's supposed to go on there, but we were a little too lazy. But today we're finally gonna attempt to swap this on, because the one I have currently on that car, the sunroof does not slide. And I'm hoping this one works, because if it doesn't, it's a big old waste of time.
Wait, did it work when you used to do it on your other car?
What do you mean?
Like did it summer?
No, this was never plugged in, remember? This was from Pick and Pull, so we don't even know if this works or not.
Yeah, that's right, okay.
But you know, we're just gonna risk it for the biscuit.
$30.
Yeah, it was
our investment pays off.
$30, yep. But it included the glass sunroof, remember? So it was a pretty good steal. Anyways, we're gonna go over there, get rid of the headliner, take out the old sunroof. I don't even know how to do it, so we'll learn together. Okay, so we're inside the car right now, and in order to access the sunroof, we're gonna have to take this whole headliner apart. And in order to do that, we're gonna have to take these visors off, we're gonna have to take this off, this other visor. If you go back here, we're gonna have to remove these 3 plastic clips, and then I believe we have to like remove this too, and then go behind the plastic right there, and I think these ones as well, these pillars. Yeah, I don't know, but so for this, it's just a 1 screw, and then another screw in here. So next up, oh yeah, don't mind this, I broke it last time by accident.
Is that tape?
Yeah,
I remember that.
Okay, there's a screw in here too, and then there should be 2 screws here. I'm missing 1. And then I think you can just pull on this. This is a little bit hard though. All right, so as you can see,
Remix.
As you can see, we just removed all these. These ones, these little hook thingies, you just have to kind of wiggle them out. And then this one, you could just pull on it from the top. And I'm just gonna leave it like that because only the top part's holding it. That side, the whole thing just kind of fell off. So now we're gonna move on to the back. So for this little hook thing that was sitting right up there, basically you open this little flap, and then it'll have the screw in there, just this long ass screw, and it should just pop right out. And then after that, for the seatbelt buckle thing, it's another plastic flap right there, and it'll reveal what size was it? 14 size bolt, big ass bolt. And then pull this plastic off, and there should be 1 plastic tab in there, plastic screw, and then these three clips, and then the same thing on the other side. And I think the headliner should be loose by then. We took everything apart. You don't have to do this, but the only reason we did it is, check this out. This is all the broken glass from the previous sunroof. I don't know if you guys remember when we swapped the sunroof, it was because it was all smashed, and all the leftover glass was underneath all the panels, and that's why we removed all of them. But you really don't need to remove them, you just have to pull it and just get these plastic screws out and those 3 plastic clips on top. Hopefully this reduces all the rattling noise, because I've been having a lot of rattling noise, and I think it's because all this glass that's in there.
Yeah, when we bought this car from Lancaster, we thought there was a rattlesnake in the back.
Okay.
It just turns out it was just broken glass.
All right, so I just got those plastic clips out. I literally just used this that I found in my garage. But you could probably use any, what are those called? Plastic clip removal thingies. You just literally just go under it and then just pull them out. Pull all 3 of them. The last thing we gotta do is this sunroof trim. Shit, how do we take it out?
We'll be right back.
Okay, just start out from right here and just start pulling. And just go all the way around.
Why is there hair on your ceiling?
It's because my head keeps touching the top of it. And just pull it around.
Up, here we go. More glass.
I know you can hear more glass. Oh, I can hear the glass already.
It's raining outside.
I'm just gonna, oh, as you can see, the headliner already dropped. All right, and I think the easiest way to take it out is just probably gonna go from the back and just pull it out. All right, look at all that glass. So if you guys have a rear view mirror with the temperature sensor, this will be stuck on there. I guess we just have to remove all of it. We'll be right back.
Making me nervous. Making me nervous. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, I just broke it. Just kidding, no, I didn't.
Oh.
All right, I don't think we're gonna put that back, just so we could make another video and where we spray it black so it matches the inside. If we do today, it's gonna take too long.
That's right.
I think that was probably the hardest part, removing all the plastics and then taking the headliner out. Now, just look through, just go around and just take out all the screws, I guess. You got like these kind of screws right there that's holding plastics, and then you got like 10 mil bolts, and then you got these hoses on all 4 corners. Yeah, just start unscrewing everything and hope for the best. So there are going to be a total of 6 nuts on each side. 1 right there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then there's going to be like 4 screws that's holding this plastic piece. Same thing on the other side. And then under the motor, there's gonna be 1 small screw, another small screw that holds this little plastic bracket. And then the 4 hoses on each corner. Super easy to take off, you can use your fingers. I think for this job, it's best to have another buddy with you because this whole thing is gonna be heavy. So when you drop it, you wanna have, you know, maximum strength.
I'm your buddy, Edgar.
I mean, you wanna have your boyfriend with you to hold it up and everything. All right, we're gonna get to work.
Hey, no homo though, right?
Yeah, no homo.
All right. I thought you were on that gay shit.
Alright, so a quick update. We just got the whole thing off. So there's a whole bunch of bolts over here, as you can see. Nuts and bolts. Mostly just a bunch of nuts and screws. And then these hoses. These hoses are pretty easy to get off too. They're all on 4 corners. Okay, so we're back in the garage, and this is the sunroof assembly that I got from Pick and Pull. It seems like the rails are all intact. So I'm gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna go back in there and test it to make sure that it works. If it doesn't, we just wasted all our time. But at least you guys will know how to take off the sunroof. Let's go! It works! It works! Alright, we're gonna bolt everything back on and show you guys with the sunroof on. Alrighty, so I just got the sunroof in, and let me show you. Open tilts, and it's gonna slide all the way. Ooh! Damn, got a convertible. Take a look from the outside. So this is what it looks like from the outside. As you can see, the sunroof is all the way back. Before, it would slide open, but it would just get stuck. Close it real quick. Ooh. Yup. Ba-boom! There we have it. You know, me and my boyfriend, we just finished installing. We didn't put back the headliner because I think we're going to spray paint it black for a different video. So might as well just keep it out for the time being. But anyways, I hope this wasn't confusing as usual. We kind of just went along and unscrewed everything. There's a bunch of screws. The hardest part is going to be the headliner, but after that should be pretty easy. Just make sure you got the hoses back in, everything's plugged in, and you should be good to go. That'll be it for today. Thanks to Alex for helping me out. Definitely get another person because this thing is going to be pretty heavy. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.